Hi, thank you for picking up Amplify Glare Guard, the premium protective screen cover that enhances screen clarity in all lighting conditions. Amplify Glare Guard installs exactly the same as Amplify, so follow these steps for installing either type of screen protector on your iPhone. First things first, if you have a case on your phone, take it off. Next, open the accessory kit. It has everything you need to get the job done. Clean your screen with the included wet wipe and dry it off with the microfiber cloth. Then, dab the screen with a dust removal sticker to get rid of any lingering particles or skin oil that might interfere with the bond. Set your phone face up on a flat surface and place the alignment tool on top. If top and bottom are noted on the tool, follow those directions. Gently remove the protective film from the screen protector by holding the top tab and peeling it away. Now, line up the bottom of the screen protector with the bottom of your screen using the alignment tool. Gently guide it down onto the screen. Slide your finger up the middle of the screen protector and then watch as it magically seals itself onto your touchscreen. Remove the alignment tool and use the microfiber cloth to press any bubbles out to the edges. That's it! Your touchscreen is protected by Amplify Glare Guard, and you're ready to add your favorite OtterBox case.